This lesson covers everything you need to know about the golden filter and the golden score calculation in WriterZen. Let's get started. To really understand how this feature works, there's a little bit of fundamental knowledge you need to know. The keyword golden ratio, or KGR, formula was created by Doug Cunnington. Essentially, it's a data-driven way of finding keywords that have high search demand but low competition. In other words, keywords with great potential to rank. We determine the level of competition by using the all-in-title operator and the level of demand by the search volume. To master this concept, make sure you watch the What is Keyword Golden Filter and How to Use It lesson in the Academy. We took the KGR concept and built our own advanced version for WriterZen, the golden score. This automates the manual work necessary in KGR. It also bypasses the 250 monthly volume maximum inherent in KGR. Golden filter works for any search volume to produce the golden score, which is a measurement of how well a potential keyword can rank. The magic formula behind WriterZen's golden score is as follows. The keyword golden score equals all-in-title divided by search volume times class ratio. Class ratio is a ratio we developed to classify values for 3 different keyword levels as follows. Level 1. These are top value keywords that have low in-title competition and high search volume. These are in the following range: all in-title less than 100 and search volume more than 100, with the golden score range set from 0 to 30. Level 2. These are medium value keywords that have low in-title competition and low search volume. These are in the following range: all in-title less than 100 and search volume less than 100, with the golden score range set from 30 to 70. Level 3. These are low-value keywords that have high all-in-title competition with an all-in-title value of over 100. These have the golden score range set from 70 to 100, which typically filters very high search volume keywords that are highly competitive. With this new formula, you can look for keywords in any range. This way you can match the keywords into any group that fits your strategy. Here's what that looks like. At level 1, we have high-value keywords with low all-in-title competition and high search volume. You can find these by setting the all-in-title to a max of 100, the search volume to more than 100, and the golden score range from 0 to 30. At level 2, we have medium value keywords with low in-title competition and low search volume. You can find these by setting the all-in-title to a max of 100, the search volume to a max of 100, and the golden score range from 30 to 70. And at level 3, we have low value keywords with high all-in-title competition. The all-in-title is set to more than 100, and the golden score range from 70 to 100. To see a detailed analysis of the golden score formula, check out this article. The golden filter is the function in WriterZen that automatically calculates the golden score for any list of keywords. With just a few clicks, you can find high search volume keywords with low competition. The recommended range for the golden filter is as follows. We don't recommend going above 1.618, and in case you're wondering, that number is the universal golden ratio. That's why we called it the golden score. And here's how it works. The lower the golden score, the greater the chances of that keyword being recommended, and vice versa. To access the golden filter function, you will require some keyword credits. In this search, there are over 4,000 keywords, so I'll need the same amount of credits to burn. Once you click Confirm, wait for WriterZen to return the all-in-title and golden score data for your keywords. No manual work is required. When the process finishes, you will be notified via in-app notification and email. In your results, you'll see 2 new columns, one for the all-in-title score and one for the golden score. You can sort these by clicking the up and down arrows in each column. And you can click the golden filter button to adjust the golden score according to your goal. Now that we have the golden scores, it's time to filter the data in order to find the best keywords for our strategy. There are 2 methods for filtering, by ranking probability and by potential value. Let's explore each method. The ranking by probability filter is great for websites with low authority. This will return search results that have a low all-in title score. These keywords do have a lower search volume, of course, but a lower all-in title score means fewer direct competitors, which means the keywords are easier to rank, making good targets for a low authority website. Let's see an example. I'll set the golden score in my project to 10. You can see the metrics updating as I move the slider. The total keywords box shows the total keywords that meet the updated golden score setting. The next box shows the combined search volume of all the keywords that meet this setting. I also have an average CPC value and an average golden score value. I'm going to click Apply to filter my keyword list. Let's sort the all-in title column and the volume. And now I have a list of keywords that have a higher probability of ranking faster. These are sometimes known as low-hanging fruit. The ranking by potential value option filters keywords that have a higher search volume but also a higher all-in title score. These are more competitive keywords, but they are higher value and they can bring massive traffic to your website. This option is suitable for well-established websites that have authority and are already ranking for various keywords, and for experienced SEO teams who have the resources to tackle difficult keywords and are willing to invest in a long-term strategy. Let's see an example. I'll switch to the By Potential Value tab. The slider is already set to the highest recommended golden score. This ensures we capture as many keywords with commercial potential as possible while keeping the competitive score within reason. I'm going to click Apply to filter my keyword list. And now I have a list of keywords that are reasonably competitive and can bring a lot of value to my site. The golden filter is an advanced filter that supports you in your keyword research. Choosing the right method, depending on your situation, will help you find the best keywords for your content plan. Moreover, you can always play around with the settings and combine filters to suit your needs. For example, I can set the golden filter and then the all-in title to less than 10 to see keywords with the least direct competition. I can also set the search volume minimum to 100 monthly searches to see keywords with decent traffic that may be worth targeting. Now let's see what we can do with the resulting keywords once you've filtered your list. After filtering your data, you will have an optimized keyword list. The ideal next step is clustering them. The golden filter and keyword cluster function are the perfect combination. They are the key to a productive and efficient keyword research process. In the next lesson, we'll be discussing another advanced filter with a different purpose, the revenue forecast filter. But for now, jump in and play around with the golden filter to find your list of easy to rank for keywords.